So I was totally surprised to get my Dollar Shave Club box in the mail. This was a Christmas present. Let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we've got a little piece of paper here. Let's read it here. It says the humble twin, the Forex, the executive, and how it works. Lots of information here. Meet our team. What else do we got here? Ah, this is something featuring MEL, featuring bathroom minutes, how to make Santa's nice list. Something on the back. What else we got here? This little box here. The shavers, yes. This is the blades. I see, yeah. Slide those back in, put them there. All right. Oh, the shaver. Pull it out of the package. And I bet they go on the head. Put it on the head right here. Yes. That would be nice. What else we got here? This package here is the kit. All right, open up the kit, and we have here, this is the critical moment. You're about to experience some of our most special products. They're probably going to be part of your life. One Wipe Charlie body cleanser, shave butter. This is the One Wipe Charlie's. Another One Wipe Charlie's featuring peppermint scent, 3 of them in all. And we have amber lavender and shave butter. So that is our kit. All right. I'm happy to try it out. Let me know what you think.